Installation of window air conditioning. This installation video is mainly divided into the following parts. 1. Preparation before installation. 2. Installation. Preparation before installation. Open the package and remove the air conditioner and installation accessories. The metal top shutter frame is located inside the packaging foam under the air conditioning unit. The main installation accessories include the left and right side ceiling shutters, the ceiling sponge, the screw package, and the top shutter frame. Install ceiling shutter. Remove and install the top shutter frame. Pay special attention to ensure that the frame is installed in the correct direction. Secure the frame with the screws provided in the packaging. Install the left and right side curtains by inserting them into the grooves of the left and right side frames. Test the installation by pulling them open to see if they slide smoothly. Note that each shutter frame is marked with an L and an R to identify them as left side and right side frame respectively. Fix window air conditioning. Lift the unit and insert it into the cabinet. Gently close the window against the top of cabinet. Make sure the window is sufficiently snug against the cabinet. Secure the bottom of shutter. To prevent air leakage, use the ceiling foam to fill the gap between the windows. Use the locking bracket to secure the top window and prevent accidental opening of the window.